when we're working with a business and they have that type of a financial gain that they're going to receive, remember what we talk about in the finances, freedom, finances, fulfillment. It can be virtually impossible for them to achieve their goal without considering all of the tax ramifications and how to offset those taxes along the way.
So, Earl, there's kind of two topics here. There's capital gains tax deferral and there's estate tax.
Yep.
And so let's imagine someone is selling a 17, a 25, $100 million business, right? And they're showing up and like, Earl, here's the big challenge. I've got a huge company. I've got no basis left. I'm going to sell it. Would you help me sell it? What would you say the biggest frustrations when you're talking about that massive amount of wealth, that massive amount of, say complexities maybe with family and different things and all the moving parts that go along with amassing all of that wealth that you face as it comes to capital gains tax exit planning?
Our typical average deal that we do from our point of view is about $17 million. Now, that's not all our brokers. That's what I do in our organization. But when we're working with a business and they have that type of a financial gain that they're going to receive, remember what we talk about in the finances, freedom, finances, fulfillment. It can be virtually impossible for them to achieve their goal without considering all of the tax ramifications and how to offset those taxes along the way. So one of the key components is if we're going to have a 20 to 30, and we could get into exact percentages, but just simply 20 to 30% tax on, call it $20 million, that's $6 million they don't have the ability to reinvest in real estate or reinvest in another business or provide an income from. And that's why, to me, it is a no-brainer when the size of the deals, 5 million, maybe even 3 million and up, that you start really thinking about what can we do to reduce this capital gain burden that comes about. Because when there's virtually no basis, we got a lot of tax potentially. And so if you think properly about this, it just increases your wealth by 30% immediately, but it also increases your wealth over time by that 30% growing over some period of time as well.